Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a charging test of the Xiaomi Mi 11X Pro. So we have the Mi 11X Pro with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset and 4520 mAh capacity battery, and you also get a 33 watt charger. So this is the bundle charger with the Mi 11X Pro. So this is a 33 watt charger. So we're going to do the charging test of this device. So right now you can see that now it's completely drained. So there is no battery left on this device. So we're going to do the charging test of this device. You can see here right now the battery is empty. Now we're going to charge from 0 to 100% and see how much how much time it takes to charge with the default 33 watt charger. So we'll be measuring at around 15 minutes, 30 minutes and 45 minutes. So company claims around 52 minutes for 0 to 100%. So let's see how much time it takes and whether it is reaching the time mentioned by Xiaomi. So let's do that. So we're going to charge the device right now. So let's get connected to the charger. So now we are connected the device to the charger. So there you go. Now we start the charging has started. So let's start the timer as well. So now let's measure at 15 minutes of charging. So now we are nearing around 15 minutes of charge. So let's see the temperature. So you can see here it has gone to 41 degrees on the top. So that's the temperature right now, 41 degrees, 41.3. So that's the temperature. Now 15 minutes, let's see how much charge this device has. So you can see here 39% is charged in around 15 minutes of charging. So not bad. The Mi 11X was around 42% at 15 minutes, but here again this is around close to 40% charge, 39% turbocharge is in action. But again this depends upon a lot of things because the temperature of the room temperature is right now around 29 degrees. So again that depends on the charging, the voltage, a lot of parameters depend. So right now at 15 minutes of charging we have around 39%. So next let's measure at around 30 minutes of charging. So now we are nearing almost 30 minutes of charging. Let's first have a look at the temperature. So it has come down now 35 degrees. It went up to 41 degrees. Now it has come down to 35.2, 35.3, so 35. So temperature has come down. Now next let's see the battery right now. So it's around 30 minutes right now, and you can see that 62% completed in 30 minutes of charging. So more than half is completed in 30 minutes. So that's the charging right now. You can see that 30 minutes and almost 63% is charged. So next let's measure at around 45 minutes of charging. So now we have completed slightly above 45 minutes, around approximately 46.5 minutes. So let's see the temperature. So it has come down drastically now. From 35 it has come down to 33. Now let's see the battery right now. So 46 minutes, it's around 94%. So company claims 52 minutes for 100%. So let's see how much time it takes for the remaining 6% of the battery to cover to 100%. So we'll report at 100% of charge and see how much time it takes. So let's say it for that. So you can see in 55 minutes it has reached 100%, which isn't bad actually, because 52 minutes is what the company claims. We reached in 55 minutes, around 3 minutes additionally it took, but still this is quite good performance. In fact, this is not really fast as some of the other flagship devices, but then which has 60 watt and 65 watt charging. So this is 33 watt charging, and for that this performs quite well. 4520 mAh capacity battery charged in 0 to 100% in 55 minutes. So that is the charging test of the Mi 11X Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.